All right, as soon as you get to the top of the stairs, you can see the ocean plain as day. It's an ugly half bath there. I would say this is the master. That is one big pink tub. Little mildew right there. Tell the house has been closed up a little bit. And they're starting to get the AC running in it again and all that stuff. But you can tell it's been shut up for a little while. Dining. Kitchen. Everything's in good shape, it's just dated. You know, nothing is really torn up. Nice fridge. KitchenAid. Big KitchenAid. Fireplace. We'll go out here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. They're building a new home right there. Really pretty ocean view. And there's your pool again. But nice. Needs quite a bit of TLC, but very nice. We'll end it here looking at the ocean. That'll be it.